Morning students, today we will study about the bacterial virus, the bacteriophages. Viruses that infect bacteria are called bacteriophages or merely phage. They were discovered independently by Todd in England in 1915 and later in 1917 by D. Herrel in Paris. Bacteriophages are widely distributed in nature. They have been isolated with great frequency from the feces of man and animals, sewage, water, and soil. Chemical composition and the structure of bacteriophages. Bacteriophages, like all other viruses, are composed of protein coat or capsules and nucleic acid coat. There are three basic phases of phase structure. They are the icosahedral, tail-less bacteriophage. They have icosahedral capsid. Examples are MS2, which infect the E. coli, and PM2, which infects Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Second form is filamentous or helical bacteriophage. They have a helical symmetry. The nucleic acid is located in a helical groove on inside the cylindrical capsid. The E. coli phase M13 is the example. Head and the tail shaped bacteriophages. Such bacteriophage which consist of a hexagonal head which contain the nucleic acid and a hollow helical tail which serve both the cell attachment organ and as a tube that facilitate entry of the nucleic acid into the host cell. The examples are E. coli phases T4 and and SPO1 of the Bacillus subtilis. Both DNA and RNA phase are known. In most of the DNA phase, the nucleic acid is double stranded, although in a few cases it is single stranded. The RNA phase discovered so far have a single stranded RNA. The most extensively studied group of bacteriophages are the coli phase, so called since they infect the E. coli. They are designated as a T phase, T1 to T7. Most of the researchers have done with the T2, T4 and the T6, that is the T1 bacteriophage. These phases have served as a model for bacteriophage. They generally range from about 65 to 200 nanometer in length and 50 to 80 nanometer in width. They have a polyhedral head to which a cylinder tail is attached, giving them somewhat a tadpole shape. The head consists of several proteins and contain double-stranded DNA molecule about 50 nanometer in length and about 1000 times as long as the phase itself. The head is attached to a contractile hollow tube called the tail. The tail bears on its distal end a hexagonal base which has 6 spikes and 6 tail fibers. The latter bend at an angle about midway in their length. Fibers are used by the bacteriophages to recognize and attach to its specific host bacterium. The plant viruses. The first virus to be discovered was a plant virus in 1892. In 1935, Stanley discovered that the virus which caused mosaicing of tobacco leaves could be crystalline like a chemical compound. Stanley's work on TMV facilitated greatly in contributing to our knowledge of virus structure and chemistry. TMV was the first virus to be observed under electron microscope. Chemical composition and structure of plant virus. Plant viruses are diverse in shape, size and nucleic acid composition. They are morphologically similar to animal virus. Each plant virus consists of a nucleic acid and protein. The nucleic acid makes up for 5 to 40% of the virus protein, making up the remaining 60 to 95%. Most plant viruses contain RNA as their genetic material. The RNA is a single stranded form. Example in case of potato yellow dwarf virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and cucumber mosaic virus. But the plant reovirus are the only plant virus which contain double stranded RNA genome. Example the clover wound tumor virus. Some of the plant viruses have been discovered which contain DNA as their genome. They may be the double-stranded DNA rise to Tungrobacillus from virus, SS virus, DNA, Gemini virus, etc. in the maize and the streak virus. The most intensively investigated and best known plant virus is the tobacco mosaic virus, which infect the leaves of tobacco, causing the splotch on the leaves region where the cell have been destroyed in the course of viral replication. Thank you.